Here's another word problem on the addition or subtraction of a fraction. In this word problem, we are told that a chemical reaction requires 3/8 cup of a catalyst A. So that is catalyst A required is 3/8 and 2/5 cup of catalyst B. Now, if 1/4 cup of catalyst C is added, what is the total volume of the catalyst? Solution. From the question, we can gather that we have 3/8 cup of catalyst A, and then we have 2/5 cup of catalyst B, and then 1/4 cup of catalyst C. So to find our total volume, according to the question, of catalyst A plus B plus C, we would have 3/8 plus 2/5 plus 1/4. Now to solve this, one thing you need to do first is find the LCM of 8, 5, and 4. So to have 3/8 plus 2/5 plus 1/4, this would be, now the LCM of 8, 5, and 4 is 40. So we write that down here. The LCM is 40. Now, to the first fraction, we will perform 40 divided by 8, and then we'll multiply that by the numerator, which is 3. Then plus, to the second fraction, we have 40 divided by 5, which will then multiply by 2. Then plus, the third fraction, we have 40 divided by 4, and then we'll multiply that by 1. Now, 40 divided by 8, that is 5. So we will have 5 times 3 plus 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. So we have 8 times 2 plus 40 divided by 4 will give us 10. So we have 10 times 1 all over 40. And this would give us 15 plus 8 times 2, that is 16, plus 10 all over 40. Now 15 plus 16 will give us 31. And then 31 plus 10 will give us 41. So we have 41 over 40. Which, converting this to mixed fraction, will be 40 and 41, that is 1. So we have one whole number, remainder 1. So one whole number 1 over 40. Therefore, the total volume of the catalyst in the reaction is one whole number 1 over 40 cup of A, B, and C. Thank you.